Diving deep into Scikit-learn's Dummy Classifier, a comprehensive guide. The Dummy Classifier in Scikit-learn is a powerful tool for baseline model creation and performance analysis. While it might seem like a simple dummy model, it plays a crucial role in understanding the complexity of your data and evaluating the effectiveness of more sophisticated machine learning algorithms. Let's break down the key aspects of Dummy Classifier. 1. The purpose of a dummy classifier. Baseline model. The dummy classifier serves as a baseline against which you can compare the performance of more advanced models. This helps you determine whether your chosen model is actually providing any meaningful improvement over a random guess. Data understanding. By analyzing the performance of a dummy classifier, you can gain insights into the inherent difficulty of your classification problem. For instance, if the dummy classifier achieves a reasonable accuracy, it might indicate that the data itself is very easy to classify, making sophisticated models unnecessary. Feature importance. If a dummy classifier performs surprisingly well, it could suggest that the features in your dataset might not be very informative, and you might need to explore different features or data transformations. Performance evaluation. The dummy classifier can be used as a reference point to understand the performance of other models in the context of your specific problem. This is particularly useful when dealing with unbalanced datasets. 2. Strategies for dummy classification. Dummy classifier offers several strategies for making predictions, each reflecting a different baseline approach. Most frequent strategy. This strategy predicts the class that appears most frequently in the training data. It serves as a baseline for datasets where the majority class dominates. Stratified strategy. This approach randomly predicts classes based on their frequency in the training data. It is suitable for datasets with uneven class distributions, ensuring the predicted class proportions roughly match the real distribution. Uniform strategy. This strategy assigns each class label with equal probability, essentially making random predictions. It's useful when you want a completely unbiased baseline without considering the class distribution. Constant strategy. This allows you to specify a constant class label for all predictions. This is useful for situations where you want to compare the performance of other models against a predetermined class label. 3. Key parameters and usage. Strategy. The core parameter that determines the prediction strategy. It accepts the following values: most frequent, stratified, uniform, or constant. Constant used only when strategy constant. It defines the constant class label for predictions. Random state used to control the randomness in the predictions, particularly for stratified and uniform strategies. Setting a fixed random state ensures that the results are reproducible. 4. Example implementation. Python. From sklearn, datasets import make classification. From sklearn, dummy import dummy classifier. From sklearn, model selection import train test split. From sklearn, metrics import accuracy score. Generate synthetic data. X, Y make classification n samples 100. N features 5. Random state 42. Split data into train and test sets. X train, X test, Y train, Y test train test split X, Y. Test size 0.2. Random state 42. Create a dummy classifier using the most frequent strategy. Dummy CLF. Dummy classifier strategy. Most frequent. Train the model. Dummy CLF. Fit X train. Y train. Make predictions on the test set. YPRED. Dummy CLF. Predict X test. Evaluate the model's accuracy. Accuracy score test. YPRED. Print F. Dummy classifier accuracy. 5. Limitations and considerations. Limited predictive power dummy classifier is not meant to be a true predictive model. Its purpose is to provide a simple baseline for comparison. Bias while stratified and uniform strategies attempt to be less biased. The most frequent strategy can be heavily influenced by the majority class. Not suitable for complex problems with complex relationships between features and classes. A dummy classifier is likely to perform poorly. 6. Use cases. Initial model evaluation. Always start by training a dummy classifier to understand the inherent difficulty of your classification problem. Data quality assessment. If your dummy classifier performs unexpectedly well, it might indicate data quality issues or the presence of strong biases in your dataset. Model comparison benchmark. Use dummy classifier as a baseline to evaluate the effectiveness of more sophisticated models. Unbalanced data handling. The stratified strategy provides a baseline for evaluating models on unbalanced datasets, helping you understand how well your model handles class imbalance. In conclusion, the dummy classifier is a valuable tool in any machine learning workflow. It serves as a simple baseline model that helps you understand the complexity of your data, evaluate the performance of other models, and assess the quality of your features. Don't underestimate the power of this seemingly dummy model. It can offer critical insights into your classification problem.